Hi viewers, welcome to a lush world in which colorful colorations, unique scents, and the allure of tropical splendor beckon us into the area of mesmerizing gardens. Ever puzzled what simply lies within the coronary heart of a tropical lawn? Today, we embark on a journey of discovery, unraveling the secrets and techniques that make these paradises flourish. But earlier than we delve into the colorful foliage and blossoms, let's first decipher the essence of tropical gardening itself. What does it absolutely suggest, and how will you build your own tropical haven? Join us as we resolve the mysteries in the back of that means of tropical gardening, paving the manner for a charming journey into the sector of lush greenery. And of course, the spotlight of our exploration awaits what tropical plant means. Picture this: the verdant landscapes, the whispering leaves, and the intriguing memories at the back of every plant. As we uncover the importance, we'll additionally showcase a stellar instance, bringing the concept to life. So, buckle up for a visible and informational banquet as we navigate the landscape of tropical wonders. By the cease, you will no longer only apprehend the essence of tropical gardening, however additionally benefit insights into the fascinating international of tropical flora. Stay tuned for a journey that is going past the ordinary, in which every leaf tells a tale and every bloom shares a secret. Let's dive into the fascinating realm of what tropical plant means. Section 1. Unveiling the Tropical Garden Magic. Welcome to a verdant oasis, where the symphony of nature plays its most spellbinding notes, the tropical lawn. In this section, we embark on a charming journey, learning the way to build and nurture your very own tropical haven, surrounded by using exclusive plant life and vibrant colors. Explore the allure of tropical gardens. Tropical gardens are like a living canvas painted with the most vibrant colorations nature has to offer. Imagine a space wherein every step unveils a new, visible masterpiece, from lush palms swaying inside the breeze to the rebellion of colors brought to life via hibiscus and orchids. These gardens are not just spaces, they're residing tales, waiting to be explored. Our exploration starts of evolved with knowledge, the specific appeal that tropical gardens preserve. It's not pretty much planting flowers and trees. It is about developing a harmonious environment wherein flora, animals, and humans coexist in an enthralling dance of existence. Let's embark on an adventure into the heart of this botanical symphony. Building a tropical garden, a step-by-step guide. Now that we've glimpsed the enchantment, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the sensible side of factors. Building a tropical garden is an artwork that calls for careful making plans and attention. We'll guide you through every step, from selecting the proper area to selecting the best plant partners. Discover the secrets and techniques of soil education, premier daylight publicity, and the vital position of water in sustaining the lushness of your tropical paradise. As we unfold this step by using Step Manual, you may find that developing a tropical haven is not only a venture, it's a fulfilling and profitable journey. By the end of this section, you will be equipped with the know-how to not only admire the appeal of tropical gardens, however additionally take the primary steps towards crafting your very own botanical masterpiece. Join us as we task deeper into the heart of this green wonderland inside the next phase, wherein we resolve the essence of tropical gardening itself. Section 2. The Heart of Tropical Gardening. Having explored the fascinating visuals of tropical gardens, it's time to delve into the very essence that makes these green wonders thrive. In this phase, we unravel the meaning in the back of tropical gardening, knowledge the philosophy that courses the advent of those lush paradises. Decoding the essence of tropical gardening. Tropical gardening is greater than just planting aesthetically desirable plants. It's a holistic technique that mimics the natural ecosystems found in tropical regions. The essence lies in fostering biodiversity, growing a balance in which each plant, insect, and chicken performs an essential position in sustaining the vibrant existence in the garden. At its core, tropical gardening is a celebration of variety, wherein plant life from distinct corners of the tropics come collectively to create a harmonious tapestry of life. The intertwining of diverse species not only provides visual richness, however, additionally ensures the resilience and sustainability of the garden. Understanding the meaning behind tropical plants. Now that we hold close the wider philosophy, let's zoom in at the significance of individual tropical flowers. Each leaf, flower, and stem tells a story of model, survival, and symbiosis. Tropical plant life have evolved to thrive within the particular conditions of excessive temperatures, humidity, and considerable rainfall that symbolize tropical regions. As we discover the meaning in the back of tropical plants, we will unveil their ecological roles, medicinal properties, and cultural significance. From towering arms that offer coloration to delicate orchids with difficult pollination techniques, each plant contributes to the tricky internet of existence within a tropical lawn. By the cease of this section, you will no longer only understand the profound philosophy that underlies tropical gardening, however, also recognize the significant roles that person vegetation play in this problematic dance of nature. Join us in the next phase as we answer the essential query, what tropical plant means, unraveling the botanical mysteries that lie under the floor. Section 3, diving into the world of tropical plants. As we embark at the very last leg of our tropical odyssey, our attention sharpens at the crux of the problem, what tropical plant means. In this section, we demystify the term and provide a tangible example, bringing the lush global of tropical flowers into sharper recognition. Defining what tropical plant means. To without a doubt draw close the essence of tropical plants, we need to apprehend the precise characteristics that outline them. Tropical vegetation, often originating from equatorial regions, exhibit tendencies tailored to heat temperatures, high humidity, and numerous ecosystems. These adaptations lead them to wonderful from plants observed in temperate climates, developing a botanical realm teeming with variety. Our exploration goes beyond the organic aspects. It delves into the cultural, economic, and ecological significance of tropical plant life. From staple meals, plants to wonderful ornamentals, tropical plants weave into the cloth of human lifestyles, enriching cultures and economies across the globe. Showcasing a tropical plant example. Now, let's remove darkness from the idea with a tangible instance. Picture the bird of paradise, an iconic tropical plant celebrated for its beautiful bird-like plants. Beyond its aesthetic attraction, this plant encapsulates the essence of tropical splendor and resilience, thriving in various climates and charming the hearts of lawn fans global. By dissecting the traits and importance of the bird of paradise, we unravel the broader narrative of tropical vegetation. It turns into a microcosm representing the myriad wonders that tropical gardens maintain, from the plush rainforests to the arid tropics, showcasing the adaptability and appeal of these botanical gems. As we finish this section, you've not most effective gained clarity on what tropical plant means, but additionally witnessed the beauty of a specific instance. Join us inside the concluding component as we wrap up our exploration, leaving you with a profound appreciation for the wonders of tropical gardening and the captivating tales informed via every leaf and petal. Conclusion. In the verdant tapestry of tropical gardens, we've got traversed an interesting landscape, from the allure of vibrant plants to the very heart of tropical gardening philosophy. We unraveled the means behind tropical plants, delving into their ecological, cultural, and financial significance. The culmination of our adventure led us to reply the pivotal question, what tropical plant means, using the long-lasting bird of paradise as our guide. As we finish this exploration, envision a world in which each leaf tells a story and each blossom whispers the secrets and techniques of the tropics. Tropical gardening transcends horticulture. It is a celebration of biodiversity, resilience, and the interconnectedness of existence. Armed with this newfound expertise, we invite you to embark to your very own tropical adventure, creating a green haven that echoes the symphony of nature. until subsequent time may additionally your gardens flourish with the richness and vibrancy of the tropics. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe our channel. Happy tropical gardening!